January. And it's the 26th, Friday, 2007. And this little critter is trying to get his cracker. You getting your cracker? Where's your cracker? Excuse me. Hey, Maxie. Oh, I ended up putting like the table over there because the couch was sticking out too far from the bathroom, so I put that there. It looks like it's too close. Right, Rocky? And oh, that's fine. I'll change it a little bit. Hey, Polly. Hey, Polly. Hey, Polly. Hi. Oh, he loves to eat. He loves to eat, huh? Alright, that chair's still there. Something is too close. I put the chair, well, actually, I had it more that way, but because of the TV, Steve wanted it moved over. I put that piece, I had it over here. Wait, I gotta stop this for a second.